Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to see another sound that is R sound but with different letters. In our last lecture I told you about that how the long sound is made, and I do hope that definitely you must have been made or practice to repeat that sound again and again and again or several times, so that you may be capable to speak that sound that words accordingly. And today we are proceeding up to the next two letters, and that create the R sound. Okay, let's come and see that what are those letters who do create different sounds. First of all, in our last lecture I told you about the actual position of R sound, that what is the actual place where this sound is generated. Okay, so until you will not make a focus on the lecture and as the place, you will not be able to make a differentiation that how this sound is being made. I already told you that this course is very much important for those students who are doing BS English honors course in different institutions, because they're at that stage in semester 2 and semester 3 they will have to read the two important papers that are based on the phonetics and phonology. So this is the actual the baseline of the phonology that they will see in semester number 2 or 3. Okay, so without wasting any time, now we are proceeding and we'll see that how this R sound in the long sound is produced with different letters. Okay, here we come now. In our previous lecture, we made and we try to understand and learn different sounds with the letters of A and R. Okay, but today in our today's lecture, we will see that how this single A letter does produce long R sound. Okay, so let's try and see that and try to pronounce the words, that how they do pronounce the sounds and where the sound is being generated and how the sound occurs from the mouth. Okay, first of all we have the very important word dance. 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 Listen it carefully.
Dance. Dance.
Again.
Dance.
Second one is fast. Fast. Fast.
Fast. Fast. Fast.
The third word is class. Class.
Class. Class. Class.
The next one is answer. Answer. We sometimes do pronounce this as answer. Answer.
Answer. Answer. Answer.
These words are very important as far as the pronunciation is concerned. So to make a true pronunciation, you have to focus on each letter's sound, that how they, whenever they join together, they produce a group sound or a common sound that we say that the word sound. Okay, listen carefully.
Answer.
The next one is bath. Bath.
Bath. Bath. Bath.
The next one is father. Father. Then glass. Glass. After that, bathroom. 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 And after that, afternoon. 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 Okay, so try to make the pronunciation at your home by repeating these words several times, inshallah, and try to manage these words in your daily routine life as well, because whenever you will try to pronounce these words into your daily spoken English, so ultimately you will feel a strong grip over the language and especially on the sound, right? So along with that, now we are proceeding what are the other letters that produce a sound. Here we have another letter about A and U sound. Okay, A and U word, they also do produce a long sound that is called a sound. Laugh, just like laugh, laugh.
laugh, laugh,
Again,
laugh,
ant, ant, ant.
ant, ant, ant,
Dot, draft, draft.
draft, draft, draft,
So in today's lecture, we did study about the long A sound that is called A sound. Okay, and I do hope that you must have cleared these sounds, and obviously you must have made some practice about repeating these sounds or learn this sound with the help of different letters. Okay, right? So inshallah, in our next lecture, we will make a discussion about the short sound that also produced based on the A letter, but here in that condition we will focus on the short sound. Right? Till then, Allah Hafiz.